Hello students, now we are in the seventh sum of exercise 2.5. Let us read the sum first. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus, this is a rhombus picture ABCD, is equal to the sum of the square of its diagonals. I mean sum of the squares of the sides means which are the sides of the rhombus here. AB squares means AB square plus AD square plus CD square plus BC square is equal to the sum of the squares of the diagonals. Diagonals are BD and AC. So we want to prove that squares, okay, I mean AB square plus AD square plus CD square plus BC square equal to diagonals BD square equal to BD square plus AC square. That is our proof. Okay, so let us take first in triangle AOB. So in the half triangle, so if consider BD and AC are the triangle, so four parts of the rhombus we can get, four triangles we can get in this rhombus. One is triangle AOB, one more is triangle BOC, next one is triangle AOD, and the next one is triangle DOC. So in this first one we have to take that triangle. In triangle which one it is? AOB. So if we are taken in triangle AOB, according to Pythagoras theorem, what we can write here? So that is hypotenuse is AB, so we can write as AB square equal to, so other two sides are in this triangle AOB, other two, if the hypotenuse is AB, other two sides are AO and BO. So we can write AB square equals AO square plus BO square. So according to which theorem you can write here? That is the Pythagoras. So we are applying here Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so in the same way the second triangle in triangle, so one more triangle is BOC. If you are taken BOC, four triangles we can get inside this rhombus. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, in this triangle hypotenuse is BC, so BC square equals, we get other two sides, that is BO and CO or OC. Okay, that is BO square plus CO square. This is also same. Which theorem? PT means Pythagoras theorem. So next one more triangle AOD. In triangle AOD, so in this the hypotenuse will be AD square equals, other two sides are AO square plus OD square or DO square. So this is also same according to Pythagoras theorem. Next one more triangle and last triangle in triangle COD. Last triangle COD. Here also the hypotenuse is CD. So CD square equals, other two sides are, one is OC or CO and another one is DO. CO square plus one more is DO square. So we can write like that, right? Okay, so these are the four triangles. So we have it about the Pythagoras according to Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so take this as equation 1, this as 2, and this as 3, and this as 4. Okay, add all the equations, Okay, so if we add all the equation, first we have to add the LHS in the sense right side, that is AB square plus BC square plus AD square plus CD square equal to, so next is right side in the sense, first one is AO square RHS plus BO square, in second one RHS is BO square plus CO square, right? In the third one RHS is AO square plus DO square, right? In the fourth one RHS is CO square plus DO square. So these are the RHS and these are the LHS we are added. Okay, so write LHS as it is, that is AB square plus BC square plus AD square plus CD square equal to, so here we can get AO 1 AO 1 AO, it should be 1 AO 1 AO is 2 AO square plus BO, here 1 BO and 1 BO, so we can write as that is 2 BO square plus CO, here 1 CO 1 CO, right, so that is 2 CO square and plus DO, here 1 DO, here 1 DO, okay, 4 marked DO, 3 marked line CO and 2 marked line BO and 1 single marked line AO, okay, so that is 2 DO square, DO square. So next is LHS should be as it is, AB square plus BC square plus AD square plus CD square equals, so if we are taken 2 common here, we can take I think 2, so we can write as AO square plus BO square plus CO square plus DO square, we can write it as. So again LHS should be as it is, AB square plus BC square plus AD square plus CD square equals 2 into, so this is a AO, I think you know about that. AO is the half of AC, okay, AC ಅರ್ಧದಷ್ಟಿದೆ, so we can write AO as AC divided by 2 and BO as BD divided by 2, then CO as again AC divided by 2 and again OD as BD divided by 2, so write as it is, AO as we can write as, in AC it is off, okay, so that nothing but AC divided by 2 whole square it is, okay, plus BO, this BO we can write, in the BD it is off BO, right, okay, in BD it is off, so we can write it as BD divided by 2 whole square plus, so in CO instead of CO is the half of AC, so we can write again it as AC divided by 2 whole square plus DO, again it is half of BD, we can write as this as BD divided by 2 whole square, right, okay. So next this will be 2 is, it is same as it is AC into square is AC square, we know that, divided by 2 square in the sense 4 plus BD square divided by 2 square in the sense it is 4, right, I think you know about that, okay. So plus this is AC square divided by 2 plus BD square divided by 4, so for all it is 4, it is the sorry we can write as AC divided by 2, so whole square I mean 2, so or else we can write as, okay. Thus next one more step is 2 equal to AC square plus AC square, we can get a 2AC square, 2AC square divided by 4 plus BD square is 2BD square divided by 4, okay. So I think you know about that. So from 2 if we cancel this, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, here 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, so we got finally here no place, so LHS will be continue like that only, AB square plus BC square plus AD square plus CD square. So if you don't mind, I will continue the next step here, okay. So we got finally the LHS is AB square plus this thing, that is the BC square plus next thing is AD square plus CD square equals 2 into, so inside the bracket what we got, AC square divided by 2 plus here 2 2s are 1 time 2 time it will be cancelled, so BD square divided by 2 we can write as, right. So if we are taken the L2 into LCM 2 we have taken here, so it will become numerator, if the denominator same the numerator will be added, that is A square plus BD square, so here 2 get cancelled, this LHS will be same, AB square plus BC square plus AD square plus CD square, so we got finally, therefore AB square plus BC square plus AD square plus CD square equal to, last finally we get AC square plus BD square. So AC and BD are the what diagonals, AC square plus BD square. So these are the four sides of the rhombus. The squares of the sides of the rhombus is equal to the square of its diagonals. Hence it is proved. Okay, don't get confusion here. So here the square is for the both. AC square divided by 2 square means 4. Like that only we want to do. AC is same. 2 AC 1 AC 1 AC 2 AC plus 4. 4 we can write because LCM is same, right? BD square 2 BD square plus 4 2 2 2 ones are 2 twos are, it will become AC square divided by 2 plus BD square divided by 2. Hope you will understand that. Let us move for the next eighth sum. In the figure 2.454, this sum has given, this diagram has given in your textbook. O is a point. This is the diagram. This is the O is a point actually. In the interior of a triangle ABC, in the interior of triangle ABC, in this triangle, and OD perpendicular to BC, this OD is perpendicular to BC, OE, this OE is perpendicular to AC, and in the same way OF perpendicular to AB, such that we want to prove that OA square, this, okay, OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equal to AS square plus BD square plus CE square. That is the first one. And the second one, AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Okay. So let us prove the first one. This is the extra construction. It is not there, which are in a dotted line. That is the extra construction. It is not there in your book, because to get or to make a Pythagoras theorem, so we have constructed the extra there. So let us take that first one we have to prove here. So we have to take in triangle AOF, this triangle AOF. Okay, if we don't construct the extra line, we will get the triangles AOF. That thing we have to take in triangle AOF according to Pythagoras theorem. So which is the hypotenuse here? The extra construction is the hypotenuse. I mean, so what happened? OA square equals, other two sides are, one is OF and another one is AF square. So that is OF square plus AF square, according to which theorem? That is the Pythagoras theorem. Keep in mind, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is in triangle AOF. In the same way, in triangle the same method, I mean Pythagoras theorem only. In triangle BOD, this is a BOD. Okay, so in this the hypotenuse is OB, so OB square equals, what happen, other two sides are OD square and one more is, that is the BD square plus BD square. Okay, this is also same according to the Pythagoras theorem. So in the same way, one more triangle, in triangle which is the third triangle, that is nothing but the COE, this triangle COE. In triangle COE, according to the Pythagoras, again here the hypotenuse is nothing but the OC square. Okay, so OC square equals, other two sides are OE square plus one more is EC square. According to this is also same Pythagoras theorem. Let us take this as equation 1, this as equation 2 and this as equation 3. The same what we did, add equation, all the equations, add all the, here 4 equations are there, but here 4 triangle, here we have taken 3 triangle only. Add all the equations 1 2 3, 1 2 and 3. So if we add all the equations, let us add the LHS first, that is the OA square plus OB square plus OC square equal to, so let us add the RHS next, that is the OF square plus AF square in the first RHS, and in the second RHS that is nothing but the OD square plus BD square, and the third RHS that is the OE square plus EC square. OE square plus EC square. Okay, next, which are the sides starts with OO? You should take those as to the LHS. Which are the sides starts with OO? Okay, so that is write LHS as it is OA square plus OB square plus OC square, and which are the sides here starts with the OO, I mean O, I told no, so like that you have to take to the LHS, so it will become so minus so if you are taken according to the first equation OD, so if you are taken OD is here, it will become a minus OD square, plus the second equation is OE, where it is OE here, so if we plus OE comes to shift to the LHS, it will become minus OE square. Next equation we required OF, so here OF is there, if it is shift to the LHS, it will become minus OF square. So next, except OO sides, so starts with the sides starts with the OO, the remaining is one is AF square, right, as it is, plus one more thing is BD square, plus one more thing is ECR CE square. Okay, however we can write, so now it is proved, BD square it is. See, you can check the first one, all the OOs, the side starts with OO in one side and other thing is in a RHS side. Yes, it is proved, the first one is proved. Let us move for the second one. Second one is this thing, AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. That thing we want to prove. Okay, so it is from equation, from this thing only we can take here. If you are writing in a vice versa, if you have taken this equation only, let us consider this is equation 4. From equation 4 we can write also as LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS. We can write it as AF square, because they are asking AF square first, that's why we have taken here AF square plus BD square plus EC or CE, however we can write. So here they are asking CE, better you have to write EC or CE, anyone, both are same. CE square equals, so what is there here, that thing only you have to write. What is there, OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. Okay, so like that if you are taken, so AF square plus BD square plus CE square, it should be right as it is. So here OA square minus, first OE we have to taken, why we have taken OA minus OE, the remaining will be AE will be left. So in triangle this, I mean AE OE, so A minus OE square we can take, so that is as one group, minus OE, one plus and one minus, then plus remaining OB square minus. So if we are taken this OB, where it is OB, so this is the OB and OF, we can get BF here, so we can make one group OB square minus OF square, this is as a one group, plus one more group is, that is the nothing but next OC, this next one. So where it is OC, you can check here, this is a OC, so OC square minus OD square we can make, OC square minus OD square, so this is a one group. Don't get confusion while making a group, that is also very important actually. See, you can see OA square, 1 minus 1 to 1 with 1 plus side we can want to take a 1 minus 2 according to the triangle. According to triangle is also important here. OA square, OA where it is here, OA, so we can make one triangle here, OE and OE, one more side is AA left. So here also we can take the Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, why we have taken here, so because we are using the Pythagoras theorem, I mean square of the hypotenuse, that is AE square equals remaining side OA square plus OE square, OA square equals OE square plus AE square, then OA square minus OE square equals, the next side will be there. So that's why I have taken here AF square plus BD square plus CE square equals, so in this triangle, if it is a hypotenuse, OA is a hypotenuse, according to Pythagoras theorem, YA square equals AE square plus OE square. So here OA square minus OE, if we take the remaining side will be AE. So here we can write it as AE square plus, come to the OB and OF. This is a OB and this is the OF. So in this also the hypotenuse is OB square. OB according to Pythagoras theorem, OB square equal to OF square plus BF square actually. So if you are separating the OB square minus OF square, the BF square will be separated, that is BF square plus, so in this OC minus OD, the remaining next side is nothing but the CD or DC, however we can write. Okay, here there is a CD will be is there, so you have to take CD only. According to Pythagoras, we can write it as CD square. So now it is proved. The second one you can check, AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus BF square, it will be here, and CD square it will be here. Therefore we can write according to that only, that is AF square plus BD square plus CE square equals AE square. So if we interchange it also, the value doesn't change, so we can interchange CD square plus BF square. According to equation, it is proved. Okay, hope you will understand this sum. Then in the next period we have to continue the next sum. Thank you all.